Hello guys. So in this session we are going to learn how to install MySQL 8 on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. So in last session we have learned how to install MySQL 5.7 on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. So here we are going to install MySQL 8. So how to install? So here I mentioned some steps to install MySQL 8 on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. So let's start. So first of all, here we have created one instance. The operating system is Ubuntu and we are successfully connected to our Ubuntu terminal. Right? Okay. So now let's install MySQL 8. So let's start. So here some steps to install MySQL 8. So the first is we need to install first is we need to update our system package. So as you know how to update, so the command is sudo apt update and it's done. Okay, so let's clear the screen. Now after that, now let's search for MySQL 8 here 8. Okay, so let's search for MySQL 8 using below command. So here if I run the command, then as of now we don't have installed any MySQL version. So here installed none and the candidate 8.0, right now install none because we don't have any MySQL version. Okay, so let's clear the screen. Okay, now after that, now we are going to install MySQL 8 on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. So now here you can see the command sudo apt install MySQL server. So let's install. Before installing, when we install MySQL 5.7, then the steps are different, right? Because when we run this command, then the default version is 8, right? Because the latest version is MySQL 8, so that's why the default version is chosen by 8. So that's why we are going to we are going to run this command directly and run this command because we are going to install MySQL 8. So that's why we skip these steps to choose versions and all, because this command by default choose MySQL 8. So you can see it's installing MySQL 8. Okay, it's done. Okay, it's done. Now let's clear the screen. Okay. After that, if we want to check the version, so the command is here MySQL hyphen version. Okay, so let's check the version MySQL hyphen version. So you can see the version 8.0 on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. Right? Okay, it's done. That means we have successfully installed MySQL 8 on Ubuntu. Okay. Now the next step is configuring MySQL. So it's important step, configure MySQL. So how to configure? So you can see here. So first of all, run the following command for secure installation. So let's run. So here we will have an error. So let's check. So first of all, securing the MySQL server deployment connected to MySQL using a blank password because we don't have any password for MySQL right now. Okay. So here validating password component and press Y for yes and any other key for no. So here if I press Y, then you can see here there are three levels for password validation policy. So here low for 8, medium length 8, numeric mixed, and here choose low for, sorry, 0 for low, 1 for medium, 2 for strong. So here I'm going to choose 1 for medium, and it will ask enter your new password. So I'm going to enter my new password. That means we are going to set our password, re-enter for confirmation. Okay. So can you see estimate strength of password is 25% and you want wish to continue the password provide. Okay, if I press Y because I want to continue the continue with this password. So here fail. Said password has no significance for user root as the authentication method used doesn't store authentication data in the MySQL server. So please consider using alter user instead if you want to change authentication parameter. And it will again it asking me password. Again, if I run the enter my password and re-enter, then again I again see same. Okay. So for that, what to do? So first of all, here I'm going to stop this. So press Ctrl plus Z. Sorry. Okay. So it will ask again and again. So that's fine. I'm going to stop this session and open new session. Okay. Okay. And now here, first of all, let's clear the screen. And here, what to do? So here, you can see here I mentioned some warning. Why we have this error like this. Warning, as of July 22, an error will occur when you run the MySQL secure installation script without some further configuration. The reason is that this script will attempt to set a password for the installation's root MySQL account, but by default on Ubuntu installations this account is not configured to connect using a password. So prior to July 22, the script will silently fail after attempting to set the root account password and continue on with the rest of prompts. So however, as of this writing, the script will return the following error. So after you enter confirm a password. So here, so after running, we will have the error. So solution is here. You can see, firstly, you need to run this command. So let's run sudo MySQL. So here, yeah, open new session and enter sudo MySQL. Okay. Yeah, successfully log into in our MySQL and our server version. You can see 8.0. Right. Okay. Now here, what to do? After that, here run the following alter user command to change the root user's authentication method to one that uses a password. So the following example changes the authentication method to MySQL native password. So for that, I'm going to run this command and here. Okay, so you can see your password does not satisfy. Okay, so let's change the password. So here password must be strong. That means combination of caps, small, symbols and numbers. So I'm going to enter password for DevOps at the rate 123. Okay. D caps DevOps at the rate 123. It's a combination and then okay. Okay. So it's done. Query okay. Okay, now it's done. Okay. After that, let's exit. So for exit, run command exit. Okay. Now, after that, here you can see, after making these changes, exit the MySQL prompt. And after that, now you can run the command without any error. So let's run the command for more security, secure. So here, securing the MySQL server deployment, and it will ask our root password. So our root password is here that we set here, DevOps @123. So let's enter. Okay, now change the password for root. No. Yes. Yes. Okay, you can see all done. It's done, right? Okay. So now let's clear the screen. So if you have error like this, then the solution is here like this. Okay, first of all, you need to enter sudo MySQL. After that, you need to run this command, alter user command, to change the root user authentication. Okay, now it's done. So we have this output like this. Okay, now it's done. Now the next step is check MySQL version. So how to check? Okay, so here to confirm the installation version, so let's log into MySQL server using this command. So the command is mysql-u root-p. So let's enter the command, and it will ask our password. So enter your password, DevOps @123. You can see the server version 8.0. Okay, now it's done. Okay, now it's done. So now if you want to exit, then the command is simply press exit. Okay, now if you want to check the version, so there is another command. So the command is, you can run the command select version. You can see as of now we have only one version with the with 8.0.31 in Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. Okay, now that's the versions. Okay, now the next step is how to create MySQL user. So let's create user using below command. So the command is create user, then your username, then identified by, and then your user password. Right? Okay, so let's create. So here is the command to create password. So first of all, before creating this user, so let's create right now our user. So the command is how to check the users that we have here. Select user from MySQL server, sorry, MySQL user. So let's run the command select user from MySQL dot server, sorry, MySQL dot user, right, and then colon. Okay, you can see here right now we have this user. Okay, now let's create new user using this command. So let's create. Okay, it's done. Now let's check. Okay, so you can see here the DevOps hint, new user, right? Here you can see there is no any DevOps hint user. Here you can see the DevOps hint user. That means we have successfully created new user using this command. Okay, now it's done. If you want to exit, then simply press exit. It's say back. Okay, now let's clear the screen. Now after that, the next step is testing MySQL. Testing MySQL means if you want to check the status of your MySQL, then how to check? The command is simple: sudo systemctl status MySQL. So you can see here it's active running. Okay, if you want to stop your MySQL server, then simply enter the command sudo systemctl stop MySQL. It's done. Now let's check the status. You can see it's inactive date. Now if you want to start, then the command is like this. Now let's check the status. You can see here it's again active running. That means you have successfully started our MySQL server. So that's the MySQL 8. So we have successfully installed MySQL 8 on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. So thank you for watching.